Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about the MS Excel. You can see this is your MS Excel window, and here I will discuss about the components of MS Excel. So you just see, okay? Now I am going to tell you about this is your title bar. You can see here this is your title bar, okay? Once again, this is called quick access toolbar. You can see here this area is called quick access toolbar, and this is called close window, minimize window, and restore. This area, this is called tab, this is file tab, this is home tab, this is insert tab. You can see here this area is called ribbon. This area is called ribbon. You can see here. Now next thing is this is called column, okay, and this is called row, okay. And just you see here this is called column header. This is called column header. That means you can see here column headers are represented by alphabets. This is called row header. This is called row header, okay. This is called row header. That means row headers are represented by numbers. This is called formula bar, okay. Students, you know what is displayed here? The value you entered in the cell is displayed here. Just you can see here, okay. I am inserting here hello. That means what is displayed in the formula bar? Hello, okay. This is called name box. It display the cell address of the current active cell. Just you see here, suppose this is your active cell, okay. This is your active cell. D3 is displayed here. When you click the cursor at C4, it will display the C4. In other words, you can also say that it display the location of active cell. It display the cursor of the Excel, okay. After that you just see this is called group. This is called group. The name of this group is font. This is called group. The name of this group is alignment. This is called group. The name of this group is number, okay. And this is called command. This is also called command. This is also called command, okay. You can see here this is also called command, okay. After that, the cell which appears highlighted, then other cell is called active cell. देखिए, first of all H4 is your active cell. You can see here this cell appear more highlighted than the other cells, so this is called highlighted cell. One thing, the intersection of, just you can see here, this is your column and this is your row. Then what you can see here, the intersection of this area is called cell, okay. You can see this is your cell, okay. This is your cell area. After that I am going to discuss this is called sheet tab. This button is used to add the sheets to your document. By default the name of Excel worksheet is book 1. You can see here, okay. Now I am going to discuss about the this is called a status bar. It is present across the, okay. On a status bar, this is your, okay. You can see here this is called view button at the bottom, and this is called zoom slider. You can increase or decrease the zoom of the Excel sheet, okay. So what you understood, I think you understood the okay. This is called this is the largest area. You can see it is consisting of grids, okay. Once again I am going to discuss it with the different color. This is the area which I have, this is blue area, is called worksheet. That means the first page appears as you open the MS Excel. This is called worksheet, and it is the main area where we enter the data and value. We store the value. It consisting of grid like a structure, row and columns. Okay, and cell is the individual unit which is used to store the data. Okay, at a time we can store only one value in a single cell. Clear? After that, the group of cell is called cell range. Just you can see here, this is a group of cell, is called cell range. That means it represent D11 to F11. Okay, now I am going to discuss. So what till here I have discussed, this is called file tab. Okay, this is called file tab, home tab, insert tab, okay, page layout tab. This area is called quick access toolbar. This area is called title bar once again, and this area is called ribbon. Okay, after that this particular is called tab. Inside the tab there are groups. Okay, and in each group there is a command. This is called command. Okay, this area is called formula bar. It display the content of the cell or the formula you enter in the cell. Okay, these ABCDs are called the column header. It represented by the alphabets. Okay, after that this is called your name box. It display the name of the current active cell. This is called row header. Okay, and this is called column, and this is called row, the represented by arrow. Okay, and the bottommost part is called a status bar. You can see here, this is called sheet tab. Okay, this button is used to add or remove the sheet. Okay, the intersection of row and column is called cell. Okay, and the cell which is highlighted than other cell, this is called active cell, and this is, we can also say that this is the cursor in MS Excel. A group of cell is called cell range. Okay, you can see here. So these are the components of MS Excel. Okay, now first of all I would like to discuss here. Okay, in MS Excel we work on the workbook. The file of MS Excel is called workbook. Okay, by default its name is book 1. Just like you have seen that you have book, all the pages, the whole book is called book, and each page is called worksheet. Okay, so the whole file of MS Excel is called book. Okay, and each page of book, okay, workbook, is called worksheet. So worksheet is an individual page where we store the data. So whenever you have been asked what you save, workbook or worksheet, then you say we work on worksheet, but we save workbook. By default the name of the book is called workbook. Okay, so now you see here, this is your file tab. Okay, now I am going to discuss about how to enter a new workbook. So you click on new, blank workbook. You can see here, you can see the blank workbook is given here. You click on this. Okay, you click on this. Now workbook appears in front of you. So you see here, workbook is in front of you. After that, now I am going, suppose you have to enter the data. Suppose you enter the name. Okay, you entered name, class, you use tab key. ठीक है, suppose I am going to Hindi, English, math. Okay, in this way, and you can increase or decrease the size of the cell. आफ्टर दैट सपोज कीजिए RAHUL राहुल है, क्लास 9 है. ठीक है, हिंदी में उसको 45 मार्क्स, इंग्लिश में 30 मार्क्स एंड 20 मार्क्स. क्लियर. MOHIT मोहित है, क्लास 9 है, 30 मार्क्स, 25 मार्क्स, 20 मार्क्स. तो इन दिस वे यू कैन एंटर द डेटा इन एक्सेल वर्कशीट. Now suppose I want to insert a new worksheet. Then you can see here, this is plus button. When you click on this button, a new worksheet will be appeared. So you click on this button. So what you see here, sheet 2 has been appearing. This is sheet 1. Okay, you can see here, and this is your sheet 2. So 2 sheets have been appeared. So in this way you can insert a new worksheet. After that I am going to teach you how will you save. So you click on file, click on save option. Okay, give the name of your, select the location. Suppose I have selected the desktop. After that, book 1 is default name of Excel workbook. Here suppose class 9. I have entered. Okay, you can see your workbook has been saved. Okay, now you want to rename this. You can see here, this is your sheet 1 and sheet 2. You want to rename it. Okay, so for this you come here, right click mouse button, and you will see a rename option. Okay, and हम suppose कीजिए कि हम student, I have entered the name as student. Okay, so what you see here, a student has been edited. Now in this way again you click on sheet 2 tab and click on right button of mouse and click on rename option. So अब सपोज कीजिए इसका नाम हम रिपोर्ट रख देते हैं. ठीक है, रिपोर्ट. क्लियर. सो 2 sheets have been renamed. First sheet name is student 1, second sheet name is report. Okay, now I am going to teach you how to delete worksheet. Okay, first of all, before deleting, suppose this is your 3rd worksheet, this is your 4th worksheet, and you want to move it. Then you select the sheet and hold the mouse button and drag it. You can see this is moved. Now hold the report and drag it at the last. So you can see in this way you can move a sheet. The another way is right click the mouse button, click on the move or copy option. Okay, move to end, yeah, move to sheet 3, move to sheet 3. Clear. Now click on this option, so it has been moved. Okay, in this way you can also move. So I have taught you 2 ways to move your sheets. Okay, first you drag and drop, second you right click on the move, select the sheet where you want to move. Suppose I want to move at sheet 4, click on, you can see here. So in this way, now you want to delete. Suppose I want to delete the sheet 3, right click the mouse button and click on delete option. You can see sheet 3 has been deleted. In this way you can rename a worksheet, you can move a worksheet, you can delete a worksheet. Now you can change the color of sheet tab also. Right click the mouse button, you can see tab color option has been given here. Give the color of the tab. Okay, so you see your tab has been recolored. Okay, suppose I am giving here the another color. Okay, now in this way you can recolor the tab sheet. So how would you like this video? Then like, subscribe and share. Thanks.